So, in case there's those of you who have never done a trail turn before, there's the people that, you know, they put their leg down and they give it throttle and they tear up the turns or the trails. Or you can just do this, which I find is a lot easier, and you could do it on any size motorcycle. You just find the balance point and twist. Bammo. Use a kickstand for leverage. This is so pretty. So pretty. And somebody in a Trans Am. Yeah. Like a nice Trans Am.
Oh yeah, that's a turn me loose Trans Am. Obviously that's as far as you're going with that.
Yeah. Must have been hauling a four-wheeler with it or something.
Oh, this is great. This is good stuff. This is fun. Okay, private road, locking over is danger, heavy trucks hauling, use your risk. He said use your own risk. He didn't say keep out. So back to last year just for a quick second. So it was you, this Brad guy, and Brennan. Is that it?
When we did this section, it was Brad, Colin, and myself, and that was it.
Really, my expectations for this year were a little off. I really didn't think that most of the sites we're going to, you could get there in a car. Right? That's what I was telling Jennifer earlier. I said, look, you know, most of the pictures I'm sending you, we can get to in a car with a short hike. Right? It's just that we're taking different roads to get there.
Yeah, and it takes up less time, right? It's quicker, it's easy. You can make a 4-day trip out of it as opposed to doing a car, and it's like, it'll take 4 days just for you to get to these different little POIs. Oh, this is nice and dry, buddy. This is also pretty.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I think, pretty sure the camera's still rolling.
My sketchy bridge radar is going off a little bit, but she's fine.
Do we have to go back over that?
No. There is zero backtracking on this one today, good sir.
Cool. Because, yeah, my sketchy bridge radar is still going off on that.
Man, they've really tore this up. Wow, they really tore this up. I don't recall this being muddy at all. And that's the dangerous thing about this stuff is the freaking ruts. All right, brother, on to the main again. We're gonna see. I think it'll be fine. Oh yeah, laughable. That's probably like truck axle deep. The only thing dangerous is the way you drive. Oh yeah! Cabot Trail Dualsport Guide. All about getting the shot. And it's hard because you got to get good enough at riding that you can predict what somebody's gonna do so you can get close enough to them to do the shot and trust the person in front of you enough to not kill you. It's gonna be a little look off to your right. You can't frickin' miss it. Whew! Jeez. Just being stupid. Just being lazy. Sitting down instead of standing up like I should.
You said there's a look off where?
You'll see it. On your right there.
Just right here? Keep right? Just keep right. Oh, wow.
So, in case there's those of you who have never done a trail turn before, there's the people that, like, you know, they put their leg down and they give it throttle and they tear up the turns or the trails. Or you can just do this, which I find a lot easier, and you can do it on any size motorcycle. You just find the balance point and twist. Bammo. Use a kickstand for leverage. Or you can do the Graham driver's thing, whatever you want to do. Depends on how much of a douchebag you want to look like. I'm only kidding. Love you all. You're taking a right-hand turn here, good sir.
Not going down there, McLean Mountain?
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Oh, right hand. Sorry. You did say that, didn't you?
I mean, you know, rights and lefts are hard. So yes, thank you to the McLeans. Just be respectful. That's the key. You want to continue to allow people to come and use these places? Go, look at it, pick up some trash if there's trash there, leave it better than you found it, because this is absolutely beautiful.
That's right. Don't leave your dirty crap, your garbage, your beer cans.
Can make another like kids commercial.
Remember this song. Don't you put it in your mouth. Don't you put it in your mouth. Don't you stuff it in your face. Don't stuff it in your face.
Don't leave your dirty crap, because you'll make the environment sick. No, it doesn't have the same ring to it. The sun's peeking through. Let's go. Usually there's a great big Canadian flag flying.
Jeez, dude. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm gonna go the other way, maybe, so I get a good shot of this, of the money side. The money side.
The money shot. The money shot. Oh man. Well, what you missed was me almost falling on my face. Down the mountain, buddy. Down the mountain. Yeah, that's super nice. And I don't recall the roads being that nice, you know what I mean?
Fuck, man. I just want to get this thing out of here in one piece.
I'd offer to let you take my bike, but nobody really wants to.